think one of the things I thought was really cool, they talk about standing up their sandbox in 10 seconds. What I think is interesting is the use case for how the sandbox get leveraged. I don't think, and because the sandbox in itself, you're standing up a VM, it's executing code and then shutting down the VM. Um, for the value that the sandbox brings, I think it will probably be better used if you have more than one case of a sandbox. Like for example, right now I'm just standing up a Qwik JS sandbox, which is a Wasm versus a VM. So it's just running the WebAssembly sandbox and it's executing on the code. That takes milliseconds to stand up. And yes, I'm kind of limited to what code it's writing, but these are, I guess, more shorter lived tasks. So if I have an agent that needs to work in a sandbox, I'm in a TypeScript environment, TypeScript, JavaScript environment. Using a WASM makes a lot of sense unless I need something to do that was really intensive. And I have memory limits to that too. I have about 128 megabytes of memory that I can work with. And I don't have like a gazillion threads either. So it's it's stuff that's less resource intensive, but yes, it's less resource intensive, but I get to leverage it a little bit more than something that's super resources intensive like the VM. So I think identifying use cases where the agent can leverage more resources versus less resources and then use them accordingly. I think there's like a marriage between the tool shed and the dev boxes.